or many of them who are already in Europe will be thinking of coming back to drive all of us out if we are still alive, and the many other realities of our lives. So the debate today is not shift me from A to B or make this to happen. It's about that Nigeria of the future, and that Nigeria of the future must be inspired by inclusions. Inclusions. It has to be inspired by inclusions. And the reason I speak this way, I'm first and foremost a woman and an activist for women's rights. Those inclusions of gender and the exclusions of gender cannot be a part of is not a part of the conversation. It remains on the table. I'm furthermore a micro minority. One that in a short time, my language may be lost, my identity may be gone in the context of this country. What do these systems